My name is Mark Stewart. I'm a production manager with ScriptPro. I've been here for nearly 22 years. When I started ScriptPro, the production department was ran out of a small transmission shop that we're actually filming in right now. We had a couple of bays that we were working on machines. We got a very large contract that required us to have 3 different shifts. I started on the night shift. And we definitely progressed and built some new buildings, and it has gone everywhere. We've got 20 plus buildings. The production department is now in 3 different buildings campus-wide. So in production, we have basically 2 areas. We have the robotics area and the SP Central area. So the SP Centrals, the data points, SP printers, things like that. In the robotics area, we have the SPX 100 robots, so that's the 200s, 100s, 50s. We also have the line of CRS, and as well, we have our new product line, the SRS. So day to day, we build those in the robotics area. We have several varieties of those machines. As a production manager, we need to focus on the machine due dates, make sure that everything's done in a timely manner. We have a large assortment of machines and sub-assemblies that we need to complete. So I make sure that those are all met by the deadlines. I also have to make sure that all the machines are checked, all the QA checks, make sure they're perfect before they go out to our customer. One of our busiest times of year is the 4th quarter. Oftentimes that requires me to reallocate my team to have them work in other areas, and I have to make sure that they're cross-trained to make sure that they meet all schedules and deadlines accordingly. That also includes me going out there and getting my hands dirty and helping my team out, which I try to do as much as possible.